Welcome sa Kani Outfit today. I'll show you how giant snakes are transformed into premium luxury jackets step by step.
A precision rolling system ensures every panel maintains consistent thickness, critical for luxury fashion.
Luxury softening treatment gives the jacket its premium smooth feel while preserving the exotic texture.
Each skin is digitally mapped to understand stretch direction, density, and natural curvature. To ensure perfect drape, the skins are stretched under carefully controlled heat and tension. An invisible reinforcement layer protects the skin from cracking while preserving its natural softness. A special conditioning treatment enhances color, texture, and long-term durability. Each jacket begins with careful alignment so that the natural scale pattern flows perfectly across the body. AI-powered pattern projection determines the most efficient cutting layout, minimizing waste. Laser cutters slice the python skin into perfect panels, with edges cleaner than any blade can achieve. Before stitching, every component undergoes a flexibility test to ensure it can survive decades of use. Structural lining is added first, giving the jacket shape without compromising flexibility.
Edges are carefully folded and bonded, ensuring every seam stays perfectly flat for years.
Front and back panels are assembled with reinforced seams that blend seamlessly into the natural pattern. Collars and lapels are sculpted using precise heat shaping, giving the jacket its signature form. The shoulders receive extra reinforcement, an area where strength and comfort matter most.
Luxury satin lining and hidden pockets are added, finishing touches that elevate comfort and design. Controlled heat softens the skin just enough to smooth the surface while maintaining durability. Critical stress zones are reinforced with hidden premium stitching for improved durability.
Hand polishing brings out the natural shine, a slow, delicate process done by skilled artisans.
Luxury conditioning oils are massaged into every scale, enhancing flexibility while preserving natural texture. The python panels now enter the luxury stitching department, where craftsmanship begins.
With all panels cut, checked, and conditioned, the python skins move toward the jacket construction line. Every cut piece must pass strict visual inspection before entering the assembly line. Each panel is stitched together with microscopic accuracy, forming the final jacket silhouette. Laser pre-marking maps the exact stitch lines needed for perfect alignment and symmetry. Each jacket undergoes a flexibility inspection to ensure it retains shape without cracking or wrinkling. In the final stage, each jacket is inspected under studio lighting to ensure it meets luxury standards.
A subtle signature fragrance is infused, a finishing touch found only in high-end designer products.
Premium packaging elevates the jacket from a product to an experience. Each jacket is displayed like a work of art, showcasing its natural beauty and craftsmanship. A comfortable premium lining is bonded to the skin, ensuring durability and luxurious comfort. Final steam pressing gives the jacket a flawless showroom finish. From the factory floor to luxury stores worldwide, logistics ensure safe and timely delivery. A final protective nano coat shields the jacket from moisture, dust, and environmental wear.
A premium waterproof and dust-resistant nano coating is applied, ensuring long-term protection. UV testing ensures the natural patterns and colors won't fade under sunlight.
With all major components assembled, the python jacket finally takes shape, ready for finishing and polishing.
Once assembled, the jacket enters the finishing department, where texture, shine, and luxury are perfected.
Finally, the exotic python jacket reaches elite exhibitions and luxury fashion showcases.